So in this video, we're going to teach you how to put on the front wheel. As it was pointed out in our previous video, how to take off the front wheel. We leave the bolts on the right side of the wheel to make sure that we don't lose them. To put the wheel on, we lift the Brompton fork like so, making sure that the tooth of the metal ring is inserted in the fork. Screwing the bolt in a clockwise direction to a firm position with your finger. Now for the left side, that has a hook that is connected to the mudguard. Put the long ring with the insert into the fork first. The other side of this rock ring have an indentation for the mudguard wires. We now put the wire in, and then we put the washer on top of it. Then we lock the whole assembly together with a bolt. Lock it on until it is in a firm position. Use the 15mm wrench to further tighten the bolts on both sides. Turn the screw on both sides in a clockwise direction, swapping side each time to maintain balance between the pressure.